Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to raise limit on PayPal step by step. Let's get started. First, open PayPal and log in. You can do this on the PayPal app or on the PayPal website in your browser. Type your email address and password carefully, since a small typo can cause a login error or a temporary lock. After you sign in, you should see your main PayPal summary page with your balance and recent activity in the center. Once you are logged in, go to your settings or your account page. On the website, look for a small gear icon near the top right corner and click it to open settings. In the app, you may see your profile picture or a settings gear, usually at the top, which opens your account details. If you click the wrong icon and end up on notifications or help, just use the back button and try again until you see your account information. From there, look for an option that says View Limits. It might be on a section related to your account status, security, or payments, so take a moment to scan the page. The wording can be small, often as a link or a line of text, so move your eyes slowly and do not rush. When you click View Limits, PayPal shows what you can currently send, withdraw, or receive with this account. Next, select Lift Limits if that option is available on your screen. You will usually see Lift Limits as a button or link near the list of your current limits. Clicking Lift Limits tells PayPal you want to raise your sending or withdraw limits on this account. If you do not see it, it may mean your account is already fully verified or you are viewing the wrong section, so check that you are on the limits page, not just general profile details. After that, follow the PayPal verification instructions shown on the screen. PayPal now guides you step by step, and each instruction explains what they need from you to increase your limits. Read each instruction slowly, since skipping a line can cause you to miss a requirement and delay the verification. Most of these changes save automatically when you complete each prompt, so you usually do not need a separate save button. At this point, confirm your identity as PayPal requests. This often means entering information like your full legal name, address, or the last digits of your social security number in the United States. PayPal uses this information to match your account with real-world records and reduce fraud risks. If a detail is wrong, such as an old address, that can cause a verification failure, so double-check everything before you continue. With your identity details entered, link and confirm your bank account or card if PayPal asks you to do this. On screen, choose whether you want to add a bank account or a debit or credit card, then type the exact numbers. PayPal may send small test amounts or a code to your bank or card statement, which you then confirm inside PayPal so they know the account is really yours. Once this step is done correctly, your bank or card shows as confirmed in your wallet, and this usually helps raise your sending limits. Next up, submit any required documents that PayPal requests on the verification page. This can include a picture or scan of your government-issued ID, like a passport or a driver license, or a document that shows your address. Follow the upload buttons on the screen, and make sure each image is clear, not cut off, and that all text is readable. If a document is blurry, PayPal may reject it and ask again, which adds extra waiting time, so it is worth checking before you upload. Finally, wait for PayPal to complete the verification process. You will usually see a message on screen explaining that your information is being reviewed and that this can take some time. During this period, your current sending limits remain as they were, and they change only after PayPal finishes the review. You can check back on the View Limits page later, and when the review is done, your updated sending limits will appear there. You have now gone through the PayPal steps to raise your sending limit by verifying your account details. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.